Things to check before sending your laptop repair service? Work anywhere, collaborate everywhere. Keeping your laptop in top shape, that's the challenge. 6 key steps before sending in your laptop for repair. 1. Back up your data. Protect your files before repairs. 2. Remove personal data. Ensure privacy and security. 3. Disconnect devices. Unplug all accessories. 4. Check warranty. Verify coverage if applicable. 5. Document issues. Note any laptop problems for faster service. 6. Secure your device. Disable passwords and security software temporarily. Let us handle the rest.
Need a laptop repair?
Dubai Laptop Rental provides expert services in Dubai and the UAE.